Mesa County's fifth case of COVID-19 is announced. Local government leaders hold a daily briefing on community response to the spread of the coronavirus and what's being done to keep you safe. KREX5's Adrian Thomas is standing by live at Grand Junction City Hall with all the details. Adrian?
Catherine, county and city officials say they're doing everything they can to ease the impact of coronavirus from a public health standpoint to the local economy. The latest from Grand Junction city officials, essential city services will remain operational. That includes trash pickup, water and wastewater treatment. They're saying any business that normally would be conducted at City Hall to try and conduct that via email or over the phone with the respected city departments. Plus, new initiatives are being considered to help local businesses in Grand Junction who've been impacted by the spread of COVID-19. New on Monday, local officials gather at the Grand Junction Fire Department to brief the community on the spread of the coronavirus. Mesa County Public Health Director Jeff Cure announces the county's fifth case of COVID-19.
It's a person in their 60s, and just as cases 3 and 4, not related to the first 2 cases. So we've got the first 2 that were related, and then we've got 3, 4, and 5 that we're currently doing case investigations on right now.
Also in attendance, Police Chief Doug Shoemaker assures folks the Grand Junction Police Department is ready and willing to work with the community.
We have instituted plans within the agency, certainly to ensure we have adequate staffing on at all times. So our level of service really hasn't changed at all.
Jeff Cure says so far 160 COVID-19 tests have been administered by Mesa County Public Health, and about half of those results have been returned by the state. Jeff Cure only advises the community to call Mesa County Public Health if they don't have a primary health care provider.
But we will screen. We want to make sure that someone is in one of the priority groups, so 60 and older, or may have underlying health conditions and with symptoms, because if we're not testing people with symptoms, then the test is really not that reliable.
At the city level, City Council is considering easing the stress on businesses within city limits. City Manager Greg Catton explains how this might happen.
The tax deferment, sales and lodging tax. And so businesses have collected sales tax, and specifically what we're looking to defer, and we will refund them back, is the March collections for February sales. And this has the potential of putting up to $4 million back into the community.
Jeff Cure tells me Mesa County Public Health is conducting about 25 tests a day. He says he expects the number of COVID-19 cases to go up as more test results come back from the state. He also wants folks to know here in Mesa County, just because the western slope is not as urban as some areas, he says that does not mean rapid spread of COVID-19 cannot happen here. And he says that the community should continue practices already in place, such as social distancing, staying at home if you're not feeling well, and conducting business from home if possible. We'll, of course, keep following all local updates so you know what to do to stay safe. First on the western slope and reporting live at Grand Junction City Hall, Adrian Thomas, KREX 5 News. Katrin?